Is your Unity sky looking flat and boring in HDRP? Here's how to fix that fast. First, import your skybox. You can get it free from any place. Be careful of its license. I really like Polyheaven's skies. They look really nice, and the licensing is right. When it imported, change its shape to cube. Press Apply. Then, add a global volume under the Volumes section. Select the volume. It has an override called Visual Environment. If not, add one. Then, add a HDRP sky override and set the sky to your wanted. See, looks gorgeous. Only problem is that it is static, not moving, and boring. Meet Sky Master, a plug-and-play day-night and weather system built for Unity. It gives you smooth sun transitions, real clouds and rain, dynamic stars and moon time control, and more. Instead of tweaking for hours, drop in Sky Master and get back to building your game. It's just $10. Get it below and upgrade your sky now.